Alright guys, this is Eagle Tech. Today we want to diagnose this compressor a little bit more. It's drawing 45 amps, so I'm assuming there's a internal mechanical problem. So today is a tool I'm going to introduce to you. This is a compressor analyzer. It's made by Imperial. I do up to half horse, 1 horse compressor. It does hermetic and semi-hermetic compression. Basically, it operates off 115 volt. So it can be used for 208 volt compressors, 230 volt, but I don't have the adapter. So as you can see, well, UEI makes this one, I'm sorry, but Imperial makes one. So we're gonna hook the compressor up to it. We got power cord. We got common start run and a ground. This be a let's see, this be your ground wire, and common start run. So we're gonna hook it up and we'll see what we get. I'm gonna pause it right here. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, red is start, black is run. It's coming from the box. Everything's coming from the box. Black is run, and white is common, and yellow is ground. Okay guys, the compressor is locked up. I wanted to verify and make sure it is drawing about 45 to 50 amps. I'm going to try to do this one-handed so you guys can see it. And again, that's red is run, black is common. No, black is run, and your white is common. I went through the overload, and green is ground. So we're going to try to do it one-handed, so you can maybe see this thing operate. If I can, I'm going to try it. So we got here. So let's see what we got. Release off of it. You see it's 46 amps. I'm going to do it one more time so you see the compressor shake. So it is locked up. So we got a mechanical lockup. There's a mechanical lockup on that compressor. And ironically, the second stage is doing the same thing. So I'm going to test that one just to make sure I was correct. And we'll get back with you. Y'all have a great day. But this is a compressor analyzer by UEI. It's a hermetic compressor analyzer. And Imperial makes one also. Take care.